The drone wars just got a whole lot more exciting, and if you're even slightly into flying cameras, you'll want to hear this. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has just exploded into the headlines after a major leak from Jasper Elons on X, while Jasper teased a few other upcoming DJI products like the Neo 2 and Osmo Nano. What really stole the spotlight was the discovery of a Mini 5 Pro price list. Apparently, some drone retailers around the world jumped the gun and updated their sites too early, giving us an unexpected early sneak peek. Their slip-up is our gain. So let's break it all down. The leaked price list comes with some pleasant surprises. Standard intelligent flight battery is listed at $69. While the new Battery Plus design for longer flights will cost $99. A two-way charging hub is just $49, which is perfect for keeping multiple batteries powered up on the go. Propellers come in at $19, and if you want extra protection, the quick-release Propeller Guard is $69. For creators chasing that cinematic look, DJI is releasing an ND filter set for $55, ideal for smooth, professional-looking shots. And of course, DJI is backing everything with Care Refresh protection plans, $80 for 1 year or $129 for 2. Not bad at all. Now about the big question, when is this drone actually launching? Rumors suggest a September 16th release, though DJI hasn't confirmed it yet. Still, if history is anything to go by, this timing makes a lot of sense. Either way, one thing is certain. The Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a beast of a drone. Early sightings of the Mini 5 Pro in the wild confirm it stays under the magic 249-gram limit, which means no FAA registration required in the US. That's basically like skipping the DMV forever if you're a casual pilot. Beyond weight, the upgrades are impressive. The drone packs a front-mounted LAR sensor that doesn't just help you avoid trees, it actually works in low light, fog, and tricky environments. DJI has also introduced layer-assisted ranging, giving the Mini 5 Pro smarter navigation and sharper obstacle detection. Translation: fewer oops, I clipped a branch confessions. DJI also made a smart change with the propellers. Gone are the one-time use screws from the Mini 4 Pro. Instead, the Mini 5 Pro uses a simple tap and twist system that makes swapping props as easy as changing the batteries in your TV remote. Minus the part where you're shaking it like a maraca to make it work. There's also a mysterious new button on top, and the leading theory is that it's a quick power-on button that lets you launch without even connecting the controller. Spot a perfect shot, you'll be airborne in seconds. The real star, though, is the camera. The Mini 5 Pro is rocking a 1-inch sensor, a huge upgrade for a sub-249-gram drone. It shoots 4K at 120 frames per second for buttery slow-motion footage, delivers crisp low-light shots, and even allows true vertical shooting, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. No awkward cropping, just clean native vertical video. The gimbal now rotates up to 225 degrees, opening up creative angles you wouldn't expect from such a compact drone. DJI has even beefed up the camera housing, basically daring you to try and take a bad shot. Battery life is another win, with DJI promising up to 36 minutes of airtime, and with the Battery Plus option, that number could climb even higher. Combine this with full omnidirectional obstacle sensing and next-level subject tracking, and you've got a drone that can follow runners, bikers, skateboarders, and maybe even your dog without losing focus. This isn't basic follow mode, this is a drone determined to stick with you until the end. But DJI isn't the only player in the game. The anti-gravity A1 drone has already shaken up the market with the world's first built-in 8K 360 capture, invisible drone shots, and immersive flying that feels more like gliding through the sky than piloting a machine. It's futuristic,